Alright guys, congratulations. We are on the last video for the text functions activity. This one is going to be short and sweet because we can use the fill handle and complete this spreadsheet with no problems. So as you can see, I have opened the text functions student file, and you can go ahead and save it as your name -text functions. Alright, so number 2 tells you to save it. Number 3 says in cell A2, enter a formula which enters the first 3 characters of the account name found in cell D2. So this is the account name, and it wants us to do the first 3 characters, which is ABS. And notice that we have up here left. So this is the left function. So I'm going to type in left. And they told us the cell was D2. And we want the first 3 characters. And that's all we have to do. And it returns ABS. And again, we're going to use the fill handle and copy it down. So you notice it gives us the first 3 letters of each one of the account names. Number 5 in cell B2, enter a formula which enters 4 characters beginning with the second character of the account name. And this is all found in the formulas under the text. And so that would be mid. Again, we're doing D2. And it wants the start with the second character, and it wants the 4 letters, the 4 characters after the second character. Click OK. Begin with the second character, so BSOL, and we just copy that down. And next we have right. In cell C2, it tells us to enter a formula which enters the last 5 characters of the account name. And so the first characters was the left. Now the last characters is going to be right. And again, we can go to the text and enter in right, or I can just type out right. It's not that hard to do. And we did say it was cell D2, and it wants how many characters? 5 characters. Close it up. And then if you count back, you get Crete. And all we got to do is copy it down. And then last but not least, in cell E2, it says enter a formula which would change the capitalization of the value in cell D3 to have the first letter of each word capitalized and the other letters lowercase, and that should be D2. I don't know why I would say D3. Using the formula created in cell E2, create values for the cells by copying the formula using the fill handle as our last direction. So that's the proper function, and D2 is what we want. Hit enter. So you notice it changes from all caps to what I call title case, capital A, capital C. And we're going to copy that formula down. And that's it for that. So go ahead and save that as your name, if you haven't saved it, your name, text functions. And now you can upload all of Unit 6. Don't upload the pivot tables and pivot charts from Unit 5, but upload all of Unit 6, which would be your conversions, logical functions, lookup functions, and the last one we just did, text functions. Upload them to Google Classroom and submit them for your grade. Thank you.